Hello lovely people, this is how I make perfect poached egg every single time. So the secret is bring a sieve and get rid of extra water in the egg white. Like this. No matter how fresh or old your egg is, with this method you can have a perfect poached egg. The other secret is, in a good sized pot, bring your water to the boil, but reduce the heat and add a tablespoon of vinegar. And yes, vortex definitely works. Add the egg in the center of the vortex. Beautiful. And now we can even off the heat and let it cook for about 3 minutes. We should not see any bubble while we are cooking our egg. It's so sensitive, like a child. Time to take it out, but be very gentle. Last but not least, dry it up before you serve it. That's it. That's all you need for a perfect poached egg. I mean, wow, look at it. Make it and you will love it. Thanks for watching my video and I hope you have a great day.